Hey guys, I hope everybody's been doing great. So this is going to be your reading for the month of August. Please keep in mind that this is a general reading. If you feel like it doesn't apply, please take a look at my other videos to check out your moon, your rising, and your Venus signs. Okay, I have the Six of Wands. So overall energy, I'm seeing that somebody will have a victory. So let's see. But they're back and forth. 1 minute somebody's ready to walk away from a situation, the next minute they're not. Tell me a little bit more. Yeah, whoever this is, they're upset. They're afraid you're going to walk away from them. They don't want you to, but they're afraid you are. Whoever I'm picking up on, Scorpio, like I said, this could be you, or this could be somebody you know, but somebody here is not opening up. Look at how that just flew out of my hands. Could be dealing with a Sagittarius, and the way that it came out, it's like this person didn't balance things out in the past, but they want to now. They want to restore balance. But see, they're stuck trying to make a decision because they feel like you don't want to move forward with them. You don't want to build with them anymore. You might have received some type of truth from them. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. Or maybe this person's trying to get out of a contract or some type of legal situation. Tell me more. Whatever's going on, they're afraid that things may not work out. Things may not improve between the two of you. Could be dealing with a Capricorn. Why is the devil here? Somebody's in some type of toxic family situation. Didn't I just say that? Family situation or some type of living situation they're not happy in. You know, and for that, they feel like you cut them off. You let them go, see? And I feel like they're going to cut off this third-party situation, but they know. That's why it's like this person's hesitating, coming to tell you the truth. They know you're owed the truth. There's a sign. Somebody wants happiness with you, and I'm seeing they're going to come and apologize to you. Okay. Oh, they're watching you guys. Let me see. I feel like they want to give you a stable offer, but this person could be focusing on their money because I'm seeing a lot of sadness here. They took a loss. I feel like, yes, they lost you, but there's a financial loss. Even with the sun here, this, again, could be a family situation that they have. But guess what? I told you, this person is keeping tabs on you. See, they're not talking to you right now. This person you are not speaking to, but they're watching you. Social media, mutual friends, it could even be spiritually. Yeah, they regret how they treated you. But this person, they have other responsibilities, other obligations. And see, the thing is, they knew that they had you holding on, waiting for them while they were trying to take care of another situation. But I feel like this person is trying to wait for something to come through financially for them. See? 10 of Pentacles. I'm telling you, they want to be content financially speaking. They want to be with you, but there's somebody holding on to them that they're going to have to put an end to. You could be dealing with another Scorpio. But this person's definitely going through a transformation because, see what I'm saying? They want to give you the offer of a lifetime, but they have to take care of something first. They feel like if they come back, Scorpio, and give you this offer, you're going to turn them down because they've been playing games. They didn't do right by you. You put in the bulk of the work here, and the seeds they planted with you, they feel like it's not going to grow. See, yeah, this person was being sneaky. They were being sneaky, but look, they want a victory with you now. They're wanting to fix things, see? They want to heal things with you. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius. Yeah, they're frustrated. This person feels like they lost you. So, I'm seeing that they're going to make a decision. Another 9 tried to jump out of my hand. So, they've been going through some karmic lessons. Ooh, what just... See how the tower with... Okay, yeah, they're going through a tower moment, guys. And the way it came out, I feel like they're still trying to avoid some type of tower from happening, but they're seeing things for what it really is. Like, they're paying attention. And you know what? The stability that they thought that they had in this family situation, it's not there. It's not there at all. You know, and this person, they're going to have to let go of the stubbornness. They're going to have to drop that pride, that ego, all of that. But it's like they don't have the strength to come towards you just yet. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo. But I'm seeing that they do want to move forward with you. But right now they can't. They can't. Somebody's dealing with a Cancer. Tell me more. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus. But the fact that it landed over here on the Emperor and it's reversed, both cards are reversed, that's letting me know somebody could be in a commitment, a marriage, a contract. There's something going on that they're having to break free from. And they feel like you don't want them anymore. See, it's like they know they're going to have to let this ego and this pride go if they want things to improve with you. They feel like you don't want to be with them. See, I'm telling you, while they're going through this tower moment, y'all aren't talking to this person. You're not. See, they're isolating themselves. They're not saying anything. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo. This person, I feel like in the past, they had other options. They played games, and they don't have a peace of mind. They could be trying to figure out what to do. Yep. Because they're going to make a decision when it comes down to a family situation. But they're having a hard time right now. And it's like they're not being positive. Oh, Lord. I heard keep them. Let's see. Yeah, there's something that they want to say to you, but they're not. Let's look. Okay. This person, it's like they're trying to get out of their head, right? Because they feel like at this point, they're not going to have a new beginning with you. This person knows that they hurt you. There you are, the Queen of Cups. They know they hurt you. They messed up bad. And at the end of the day, they don't want you to cut them off. Because they may be in a family situation, but I'm seeing you're their wish fulfillment. They want a family with you, see? And they're going to work really hard because they're coming back to give you this offer. Somebody could be dealing with a Pisces, but it's like they're going to have to tell you the truth about everything. And when they do, they feel like, okay, they're not going to have a new beginning with you. So even though they're frustrated, they're going to keep moving forward. Because I'm seeing that they're going to move fast, but see, they left you out in the cold. And I feel like that's what's worrying them, even though they're trying not to be. See, Two of Cups. Somebody was committed to a family situation, but yes, they want to be committed to you, but they're going to have to figure this out. Because, see, they feel like they're not going to be able to turn things around. But this person, they will listen to their intuition. It's like they're going to get out of their head. They're going to stop overthinking things, and they will take a leap to come and fix this with you. But right now, Spirit is saying they're dragging their feet. Because, they said some harsh things to you. They're sitting here choking on the words that they said to you in the past. Yep. And see, the thing is, they're still stuck in this codependent situation. Yep. And it's like, even though they want things to improve, look at that. They stabbed you in the back. They stabbed you in the back a lot. Like, my eyes went to all of those swords. They stabbed you in the back. They hurt you. But they're going to get out of their head. They're going to free themselves from a situation. See, it's like it's getting to the point. There's somebody around them that they've been helping, they've been giving to, and they're going to stop doing it. But when it comes to you, they feel like you don't want to give them any more energy. See, they're afraid they're not going to have a new beginning with you. I told there's another woman. The way even she came, hold on. Two things I'm seeing. The way she came out, there could definitely be like a mother figure blocking. Or it could just be like another female, but definitely mother figures. I told you, family issues, right? But where she landed, over here by the King of Wands, I got the King and the Queen. So somebody could be dealing with a twin flame. Hands down. This could be a twin flame situation. Yep, twin. Somebody's dealing with a twin flame. Now, I will say this because a lot of you may not be dealing with a twin. This could be a really strong soulmate. But whoever I feel like I'm talking to as well, it's a twin. And it's your twin, and you know it is. And the fact that the King and the Queen, they're reversed, things aren't good between you right now. There's a lot. I'm not going to, I keep hearing animosity, but I feel like you guys are pissed off and upset with this person because of how they've been treating you. And it's like they're not owning up to it. I feel like behind closed doors, they know exactly what they were doing, right? They know their part that they played into this, but they're just not telling you. That's the part, you know? But yeah, somebody could be dealing with a Gemini. It's family. Look at the 2 6s. I told you it's family. There's a family situation. This person has to give to someone else, whether it's their mother, sister, brother, grandma, uncle, you know, and or someone that they, could have married. They were in a commitment with. They got kids with. They're just living with them. You know, it's like they're responsible for helping someone out. And see, it broke your heart. There was a third party here, and they want to fix it. They want to balance things out with you, and guess what? They're going to give you an offer. You have an offer coming in. Okay. I'm going to do something for you guys. Let's see. Give me 3 cards, please. This person's energy that I'm picking up on, what messages do they have for my Scorpios? Dating. R/will likely be dating, like each other, enjoying each other's company, seeing each other. See, I told you, this person wants to start over. They want to date you again. I told you, you're going to get that offer. Thinking. Time is needed. Don't make reactive / impulsive decisions. Consider all perspectives. I told you, they're trying to figure out, okay, how do I come back towards Scorpio and or cross watcher? If this was a Scorpio that did it to you, they're trying to figure out, okay, how can I make this right? I got to get myself out of this other situation, but my plan is to date. Oh, fake profile. This person, this person's watching you. Liar, scammer, creeper alert. Do a background check. Not genuinely interested, not who you think, whatever. Yeah, look, they're watching you. They are watching you. You hear me? If you guys are on social media, yeah, it's somebody that's on social media. They have a fake profile. They're watching you. Those that are saying, oh, my page is private. Guess what? Before you made it private, or if it's been private this whole time, they create a fake profile, or they could have duplicated somebody that you know. Like, it's real creepy. But, and you just accepted it, and they've been watching your stuff. They have been. They have been. So, bottom of the deck, I have Stoke, riding the wave of positive manifestation. Excited, dreams come true, great things happening. See, I told you, this person's manifesting you. Whatever this family situation is, they're learning their lessons. They're going to come out of it. They want to start a new cycle with you. So, yeah. Told y'all this person's coming in. But, let's see how you feel about it. Okay, Spirit. So, when it comes to my Scorpios, what messages do you have for my Scorpios, please? Messages and or advice for my Scorpios. Ace of Swords. Didn't I tell you? There's communication coming in. You're getting ready to hear from this person. Somebody's getting ready to hear from this person, and they're going to tell you how they're feeling, what happened. But the thing is, you're like, you know what? I don't know if I want your offer. Because it's like, you're not stable. You're very wishy-washy. You keep playing games with my feelings, my emotions. I don't have time for this, right? And see, even the way the Five of Wands came out, it's like this person, they start a lot of drama. You know, conflict. And now, it's like when you get this information from them, I feel like some of you guys are going to be in your head. You know, because deep down, it's like you would like to balance things out, but you chose yourself. You know, you're like, I want a new beginning. On my terms, right? I can't wait for this person anymore. But see, there's the Ace of Wands. Spirit is saying you can have a new beginning with this person. Because see, they're going to come in correct. Even though they've been dragging their feet in the past, they're going to come in correct. They want to work this out with you. See, they're going to tell you, I got out of a third party situation. But I feel like for a lot of you, you may say no. You may say no, I don't want it. Because, see, you've been so busy working on yourself and healing, improving things in your life, that you're like, I don't want to go back to the energy where I was, that confused energy. See what I'm saying? You're like, no, I'm moving on. I don't want this. You guys may shut this person down. See, because of the family situation, what they did in the past. You don't trust them. See, I told you it's family, 2 sixes. It's family. Some of you guys, maybe this is you. Maybe you have a family with this person, you know, or like I said, they have some type of family situation that was blocking. But you're like, you know, no, because of this family situation, I feel like I'm not going to have a victory. See? But there's 11-11. You understand that there's a connection between the two of you. You see yourself having a happy home. But see, the way this came out, I'm telling you, you're going to get an offer, but you're like, nah, the way they handled it, this person's very immature. They're very childish, you know. I'm not content, again, with how they played me. They played you. They did. And you guys are feeling some type of way. But Spirit is saying before you make any type of decision, they really need you to think about this. Take a step back and really reevaluate, right? So let's see. Yeah, see? Because there's fear. There's fear. You guys are basically saying to yourself, you know what? I don't want to give this person a chance because they lied to me. They lied to me. They deceived me. It was like the ultimate betrayal, you know? But I also feel like deep down, you guys probably would like to move forward with this person. You know there's a connection here, but you're afraid that this person's going to do it again. You don't trust them. That's the thing. See? This person, I'm seeing changes. But in the past, they were sneaky, but they're changing. And see, you guys decided to make a change. I told you, you're not in this energy of being sad, being upset. Yes, this situation probably pisses you off a little bit still deep down, and you're annoyed with this person, but you guys have been putting in the work into yourself because, see, now you're seeing the truth for what it is. Your card just tried to come out, guys. Queen of Cups, but it didn't. Let's see. The Queen of Pentacles came out instead, reversed. Yeah, you guys aren't putting any energy into this. There's your card, Scorpio. Guys, you're like, no, I'm good. I'm putting it into it. Because, see, there's somebody else. You're putting it in. Your guard is up with this person. You're putting it into it. I will say this. For some of you, you may decide to hear this person out. But you're not playing with them. I see y'all being real, I ain't gonna say nasty to them, but it's very direct, very blunt. Like, what you want? We've already decided that you have a good life. I'm good. Why are you calling me? Why are you texting me? Why are you watching me on social media? Why are you liking my stuff? What is it? What do you want? Because at this point, you made your bed. You're going to have to lie in it. They're going to have to fight for you is what I'm saying. They're going to have to fight for you, Scorpio. So they want it bad enough. From what I'm seeing, they will. But I feel like you guys are going to throw them off because a lot of times I'm picking up when they normally come back, you guys are so nice to them. Like, you probably give them a little bit of attitude, but you take them back in. You're like, okay, let's be friends. Tell me what happened. But now you're like, I don't even want to hear it. Oh, Scorpios, drop down and leave me some comments, okay? Let me know if it resonates. Okay, guys, I love you all, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.